Ever felt bloated, foggy, or anxious even though you are eating healthy? The secret might not be what you're eating, but what your microbiome is eating. Let's talk about the 3 gut healing power players. First one is Inulin. It's a prebiotic fiber that feeds your good gut bacteria, such as bifidobacterium, that make small chain fatty acids that fuels your gut lining and keep the inflammation down in your system. But here is the twist. If you have IBS or SIBO, this may flare up your symptoms. So start small, 3 grams per day is good, and listen to your body. Next is Lactobacillus Acidophilus. This is your gut's pacemaker. Some strains help digest lactose while others balance immune system. But not all are equal. Choose strains like NCFM or DDS-1. And last but not the least, Ashwagandha. It's your gut stress connector. Studies show that it can lower cortisol within 6 weeks, which means less bloating, calmer mood, better energy. Around 300 to 600 mg per day works beautifully. To heal your gut, you need to feed the right bacteria, calm the right hormones, and make your body feel safe again. This video is made in collaboration with Flawless Bloom.